Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change screen timeout in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display, then go to screen timeout. And here by default you are seeing 30 seconds as screen timeout. What it means, after 30 seconds of inactivity of my phone screen will be timed out. You can increase screen timing, that is screen timeout up to 30 minutes. Okay, longer duration is 30 minutes. Up to 30 minutes you can keep your phone active. Okay, so if you want to use minimum time, use 15 seconds. This is very minimum time for screen timeout. Okay, what will happen after 15 seconds of inactivity of my phone screen will be timed out, and it be locked if you have used any phone lock. Okay, here I have not used phone lock, that is pattern lock, so it is just timed out, and phone screen is now off. Okay, so this is the purpose of using screen timeout option. Okay, if you want to set back to default screen timeout, just put it back to 30 seconds, second option, and this will be the default screen timeout for your phone. Okay, if you want to increase up to 30 minutes, yes, you can use 30 minutes. You cannot set your own custom screen timeout. From the available options, you can use either 15 seconds or 30 seconds or 1 minute or 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and up to 30 minutes. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.